The Prague Marriott Hotel is located in the heart of the city, just a short walk from iconic attractions like Old Town Square and Charles Bridge. Join us to tour this beautiful hotel and its amenities. We arrived at the hotel on a Friday night. So there is live music tonight at the cafe. The lobby features an open and spacious design, creating a welcoming atmosphere for guests upon arrival. The first floor features the Artisan restaurant, which offers a modern dining experience with an open concept kitchen and a diverse menu of Czech cuisine. With a large seating area in the center, the lobby encourages relaxation and social interaction. On the first floor, it also has a club lounge for guests who paid for the club rooms or guests who have Marriott status. The club offers a comfortable space for guests to relax and enjoy complimentary meals and beverages throughout the day. There will be breakfast served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and hors d'oeuvres served from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. You can come in and grab a drink anytime with your room key. This club is spacious. It also offers patio seating, and the atmosphere feels so comfortable and relaxing. Let's come back tomorrow morning to check out the breakfast. Let's go see our room. We got upgraded to a club-level suite room. This is a very cozy living room area. They gave us a cake for the birthday celebration and some chocolate-dipped strawberries as the welcome gift. That's really nice. I like these beautiful orchids. There is plenty of space for your clothes and belongings. Let's check out the bedroom. It is so thoughtful that they set this up for our anniversary. There is another closet behind the door. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Look at how spacious this bathroom is. It has a nice big shower room. Even though it has only one sink, there is plenty of space. I like that they use my favorite Finch brand Luciton for the shower set and the body lotion. The scent is phenomenal. It is 9 a.m. in the morning. I can't wait to check out the breakfast at the club. The fresh omelette is made to order. It smells so good that I feel hungry already. There is a fresh salad bar. Lots of croissants. They even made healthy whole wheat and grain croissants. There are some bakery. Fresh yogurt and fruits. Ham and cheese. Typical breakfast items like eggs, bacon, and sausage. Fresh juices. These breads look so fresh and tasty. I love eating bread in Europe. Now I am ready for the freshly made omelet.
Mushroom, onion, bell pepper, and tomato.
request a latte with almond or oat milk to be made from the kitchen. The Artisan restaurant in the lobby area also prepared fresh breakfast for guests. Let's check out their gym facility at downstairs. This is a big hotel gym. It has a nice shower room. Overall, we really like this hotel not only for its convenient location, but also for the clean, modern, and spacious facility. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch the video of our recent trip to this beautiful city, Prague.